What's up, folks? Your boy Dominoes Seven here, live in the lower ninth ward. Okay, welcome to this Facebook Live. Eventually, will be uploaded to YouTube. Okay, if I ever have time to, Okay, so I'm out here chilling, waiting on the bus. I'll show y'all the lower ninth ward. Yes, indeed. Look at the grass. Look everywhere. Look nice up here, y'all. I don't know what this thing is. I don't know if that's a sundial or what. Y'all see that? Yes, indeed. Oh, they set up nice out here. Oh, I'm sorry. This live stream is going slow. Okay, I'm out here waiting on the bus and stuff like that. Get ready to go home, chill, and relax. So, any more stuff I'm thinking about? I don't know. Okay. I hope I go home and have a peace of mind, though. I won't be going too many places, though. This might be my last year at Mecca Con. Depends on the situation. Definitely depends on the situation. Yes, indeed. I mean, there's not a day that goes by that I don't think about my grandmother. Oh, wait a minute. What is my live stream all right? I'm sorry. I think I'm experiencing technical difficulties. Okay. Dang gone. What's wrong here? I have a bad connection. Look like I don't know. I was having a bad connection. Damn this thing. Oh damn the Wi-Fi. Oh well. That's it. Bye.